for another school.
Okay. So let's just finish this and then we'll start with that only. Okay.
Yeah. However, this lesson is there for our next exam after the half yearly.
So you will have a bulge of it.
Yeah.
I don't know why others are not joining. Is there any specific thing that, like something that they are not joining?
Yeah.
Even everybody is absent. I don't know. It's the weekend, that's why.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know because I have like in this Priyanka is there. Priyanka has not joined. Okay, you have Priyanka and Abubakar, na? They two have not joined. We finished this one, right, Harmi?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, lines and angle is not there. Triangles is there.
No, ma'am. Triangle and its property is not there. Lines and angles is there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we will do lines and angle in our extra class. I'll just let them know the schedule.
Okay.
Angles and properties there, Harmi?
No, ma'am. Angles and property is not there. Is I think is in this lesson already. This lesson is there.
This one line, this is triangles only. We have a part angles and properties. I just thought. The
Yeah.
triangle is not there, so why would they ask angles and properties?
Yeah.
So now let's just quickly cover. Okay, if others are not joined, we can do lines and angles.
Yeah.
Right? If others are, because if I will start triangles and Priyanka will not get it.
Yeah.
Okay, so lines and angles till where you wrote the notes?
Yeah. I have written.
Complementary, also supplementary, you have written adjacent, linear pair.
Yeah, I think this lesson also, some middle parts are not there. I think.
Okay, I think this one intersecting line we haven't started.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just start with intersecting. Over there you have made notes now, and I asked you that leave some space.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's just get started. So now this is very important. If you will, oh, so sorry. What's wrong? If you will learn this, you can do entire lines and angles. Okay, so let's be very careful. Okay. So intersecting line are when two lines cross each other and they have something common. That is called intersecting line. Okay. So for example, this and this, they have something common here, and that common point is known as point of intersection. Okay. Now second is transversal. For example, these are two lines. It can be parallel, it can be non-parallel. Okay. If a single line crosses two lines, That line is basically known as the line which is crossing two or more lines. That is
Yeah.
basically known as transversal. Okay. Now, after this, that comes a very important rule because these are the properties. Okay. So, for example, two lines were there. It can be parallel, it can be non-parallel. There is one difference between parallel and non-parallel that I'll tell, but all the properties are though similar. These two lines and this is a transversal. So, what they made, angle number 1, angle number 2, angle number 3, angle number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, first write these two, then I'll explain you the properties. Just put
Yes.
pairs of vertically opposite angles are clear to you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Finish?
um,
Okay, Priyanka has
ma'am,
joined.
actually,
Okay, Priyanka has joined. Okay.
I'm trying to.
Okay. Armin, you have written it?
No, ma'am, not yet.
Okay, okay. Just write transfer. So, Priyanka, wait. Because I thought you will not join, so I was teaching Harmin lines and angle because she missed the chapter.
Oh, okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
wait a minute. She'll just write it transverse
Actually,
one
I
and then.
went out, ma'am.
So, you are out. So, you can't write anything
Okay, ma'am.
today?
Yeah. No, ma'am. I was outside, so then
Now you are back?
I just came now.
Okay, okay. So,
Yes,
let's
ma'am.
just, you can drink water and come back. Till then, Harmin will write it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
So now let's just get back to triangles chapter. We will just finish this in our extra class happening. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we will be starting a new exercise today. Okay, and the exercise is 6.3.
Yeah.
6.3. Now these are the question. You have to find the value of x. Okay, so I'm just doing the first one for you. Okay, here, the first part. So over here, what you will do, you will write it like this. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. And in bracket, the reason would be angle sum property.
Yeah.
Okay. Angle A is x. Angle B is 50 degree. Angle C is 60 degree. Equals to 180 degree. So x plus
Yeah.
110 degree.
Ma'am,
Huh?
actually,
Huh?
I
180 minus 1.
You got 70 degree. Yes.
Yeah.
ma'am, actually I finished this.
You finished this.
Yes, ma'am.
But in the last class, we did this only. Okay, we did this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we already did this. Okay, wait. 6.3. Okay, we finished 6.3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. I didn't realize it. Okay, now we will be dealing with two special triangles. Let me just check it. Wait a minute. Okay. Now in this one, is there a triangle whose side are this? Okay. You have to tell ma'am this is a triangle or not. I gave you one property. For example,
Yeah.
let's just take, you remember how to do this? For example, oh, what's wrong with my writing pad? This is a triangle. A, B, and C. AB is 10.2, AC is 5.8, and this is 4.5, for example. Okay. It is like AB plus AC should be greater than BC. Okay. Or AB plus BC should be greater than AC. Right? And BC plus AC should be greater than AB. Clear? When you add two sides, it should be greater than 3. You will put the value. In case if these three scenarios are correct, that means it is a triangle. In case not, then it is not a triangle. Clear? Okay. Like first side to AB and BC. I added this. It should be greater than the third side. Okay. And then AB and BC, I added. It should be greater than AC. Clear? And the other one BC plus AC. So any two side you can take according to you and you add it. It should be greater than the third side. In case it is possible, then yes, ma'am, it is okay. In case not, then it is not okay. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do it and tell me, is this a triangle or not?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I don't understand.
You don't understand? You have to just put the value. What is the value of AB? 10.2?
Okay, ma'am. Then we should add them.
Yes, 10.2 plus AC is 5.8. Add it, and then B is 4.5. Add it. If it is greater than this, then tick mark it like this tick.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, we should do decimal point, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, both of you finished?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So tell me, is this a triangle or not?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It's a triangle. Okay, very good. Now let's just start with the question 6.4. So in this, I will give you a few questions. You have to just tell that, ma'am, is this possible to draw the triangle or not? Okay, here you go. All the situations.
Ma'am, should draw.
Yeah, you can draw the rough one first, right? And make it like this: A, B, C. You can plot any.
Ma'am, the example which we did the same.
Yes, similar.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
if the triangle is like in three ways, it should be same. Like
I didn't get it.
greater
I didn't get it.
in every ma'am.
Huh?
Will
Huh?
one question will do
You have to take all the three possible sides and then you have to get the answer. You are not
if
audible
it
properly.
one is not possible, so ma'am,
Huh?
if one is not possible, so the
Huh?
whole
Yeah, the whole
triangle is
would be
not
no.
equal, right?
Yes. Whole would be no.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Same, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. So you tell me for which one. First one, is it possible to make a
Ma'am.
triangle?
No, ma'am.
Second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Third one?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Very good.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
actually, like how we have to check? Is it according to scalene triangle or equilateral like that?
No. See, in case I'll tell you. For example, I gave you this AB plus BC should be greater than
Oh, that.
like that. So in case you did it three ways. So any of them comes no, the answer would be no.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Like the previous one.
Same. Okay. Now let's just come to some questions called, I already told you the formula. This hypotenuse square equals to height square and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Determine whether the triangle whose length of sides 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter is a right angle. So how would you make it? The longest side would be 5 centimeter here. 4 centimeter you can make it here and 3 centimeter. Okay, the formula is hypotenuse square equals to base square plus height square.
It's,
Right? So hypotenuse is 5 square equals to base is 4 square plus 3 square. Solve it, and if right hand side is equals to left hand side, it would be equal. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't understand.
You have to just solve it. Like 5 square and 4 square plus 3 square. If this side is equals to this side, both the answer comes same. Then that means yes, ma'am, it is a right angle triangle. In case it didn't come same, like here you get 45 and here you get 35, they are not equal, then it is not a right angle triangle. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we should multiply.
It's 2 times.
Ma'am.
It's like 5 square.
Yeah,
5
like
multiplied by 5.
3
4 square.
into
4
3.
multiplied by 4. 3 multiplied by 3.
Okay. Ma'am, for this, what question should I write? Like exercise or
This is an
example?
example. Just write example. Example number 5.
Okay.
Ma'am,
done, ma'am.
should we also multiply hypotenuse?
Yes, 5 multiplied by 5.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, both of you finished? So is this a
Yes.
right angle triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because 5 is 25, 16 plus 9, 25. So they both are equal. So yes, ma'am, it is a right angle triangle. Okay. Now, I'll give you one question. You have to just use a formula and find the third side. Like they have to find the hypotenuse. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this same.
No. I'll give you. Yeah, same formula you have to apply. This one. In this case, this is missing. Hypotenuse is missing. Base is given plus height is also given. So find this.
Ma'am, in this we'll use one property, right?
No, only this formula. Why the property?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in this we should add 5 and 12, right?
Yes, square. First do 5 multiplied by 5 and then 12 multiplied by 12
Yes, ma'am.
and then do add it.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So over here, how do you people did it? Base was 12 square plus 5 square, right? So 12
5
square
square.
is
144 centimeter.
144.
144. Okay. And the next one, what I
Yes,
will write?
ma'am. 10.
25.
144 plus what you got?
25.
25.
169.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is h square, right? You have to find h. So this h will be here and this will be 169. Clear? If you know the square root, then it is easy for you to find which others. What you will do? 169. This. Okay. In which table you will be like 13. 13 ones are 13 and 13 threes are
Yes.
and then 13 again. So that means 13 and 13. So this is h equals to 13.
13.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have to find it like this all the time. Okay. Now let's just come to the last exercise. 6.5. Let's just do, okay, we don't have enough time. So we will be starting this in next class. I'll just give you a hint. Okay. This one I'll give you as a homework as well. So in this question, you can see PQR is a triangle. So that means this is a triangle. PQ is 10 centimeter. PR is this. You have to find QR. Okay. Of course, it's the same thing. We will
Ma'am, the same, right?
yeah, the same thing. You have to find QR. Okay. PQR. It can be like this as well. So PR is 24. PQ is 10. You have to find this. So it is like hypotenuse square equals to base square plus height square. Right? So hypotenuse is 24 square. Base is not given. Height is 10. So you will solve this and then you will 24 square minus 10 square would be your base square. Getting my point what I'm doing? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and this is how you solve
Ma'am,
it.
same thing.
Huh?
Okay.
Yes. Is it clear? Like, see, not every time they will ask you to find hypotenuse, right? Sometimes they will ask you to find this height. They'll ask you to find base like this. Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.